Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Moving on to question number 4. Find the values of A and B in each of the following. Now, you have to find the value of A and B. Okay? You are given something over here on the LHS, that is the number, okay, which consists of irrational numbers, and over here you are given A plus B root 3. Now how will you equate? कैसे पता चलेगा A क्या है B क्या है? For that you have to solve the LHS. यहाँ पे इसको पूरा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज बाय rationalizing the denominator. So I will rationalize the denominator and then I'll be able to find the value of A and B. So let's start. इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा 2 plus root 3. Now the LHS is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Now denominator का rationalizing factor है 2 plus root 3. So I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 plus root 3. Now numerator में both the brackets are same. So when I multiply both the brackets, that is same brackets, so it is going to be square of the bracket. Denominator में we'll get a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus root 3 square. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. We'll expand it. So it will be 2 square plus 2 into root 3 plus root 3 square upon 2 square gives 4 and root 3 square gives 3. So LHS is going to be 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3 gives 1. So it is 7 plus 4 root 3. LHS is 7 plus 4 root 3. Now I can compare it with the RHS. I have got some simplified form. Denominator में से irrational number हट गया है. So RHS is A plus B root 3. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore I can say 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay. So comparing, what do we get? Comparing both LHS and RHS, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. Okay. Second sum is root 7 minus 2 upon root 7 plus 2 is equal to A root 7 plus B. Now LHS में I have to solve first. I have to rationalize the denominator and then I will compare both LHS and RHS. So LHS हो जाएगा so the LHS is root 7 minus 2 upon root 7 plus 2. I'll rationalize the denominator. तो इसका rationalizing factor हो जाएगा root 7 minus 2. I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by root 7 minus 2. So over here, numerator में both the brackets are same, okay? And when you multiply the brackets, you will get root 7 minus 2 square. Over here in the denominator it is root 7 square minus 2 square. Okay, now in the numerator I'll expand a minus b the whole square, so it is going to be root 7 square minus 2 into root 7 into 2 plus 2 square. Denominator में I'll get 7 minus 4. Now root 7 square is 7 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 root 7 plus 2 square 4 हो जाएगा, and denominator I get 3. Now this is going to be 11 minus 4 root 7 upon 3. I can write it like this: 11 by 3 minus 4 by 3 root 7. Now I can compare it with the RHS. So RHS में we have a root 7 plus b. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore comparing LHS and RHS. Now a के साथ रूट 7 है, तो a कौन सा हो जाएगा? रूट 7 वाला टर्म हो जाएगा. सो रूट 7 वाला नंबर, सॉरी नॉट टर्म. सो a रूट 7 को इसके साथ कंपेयर करेंगे, बट आई हैव अ माइनस साइन एसोसिएटेड विथ इट, सो वो साइन भी यहाँ पे आता है. एंड ओवर हियर b इज 11 by 3. So on comparing LHS and RHS, what we see is a root 7 is equal to minus 4 by 3 root 7. That is this whole thing. Okay, so a I can say is equal to minus 4 by 3. So a is going to be minus 4 by 3, and b, that is without root 7 वाला term, that is 11 by 3, not term, sorry, number. So b is 11 by 3. Please be careful with signs. अगर sign साथ में associated है negative sign, then you have to mention the sign as well. So please be careful about that. The third sum is 3 by root 3 minus root 2 equals to a root 3 plus b root 2. Over here again we'll rationalize the denominator in the LHS. So considering LHS first. So LHS is 3 by root 3 minus root 2. So इसका rationalizing factor, that is denominator का rationalizing factor is going to be root 3 plus root 2. I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3 plus root 2. Now this numerator is 3 into root 3 plus root 2. I'll keep it as it is, and denominator में it is of the form a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus root 2 square. Now 3 into root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 square is 3 and root 2 square is 2. So LHS is equal to 3 into root 3 plus root 2 upon 1. So it is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now I can compare it with RHS. RHS is a root 3 plus b root 2. LHS is equal to RHS. It is already given. So comparing LHS and RHS, we can say a is equal to 3 because a के साथ √3 associated है, over here √3 के साथ 3 है, so a is equal to 3 and over here also b के साथ √2 है, so यहाँ पे √2 के साथ 3 है, so b is also equal to 3. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3. Now the last sum of the question, 5 plus 3√2 upon 5 minus 3√2 equals to a plus b √2. Now LHS को पहले कंसिडर करेंगे, so it is going to be 5 plus 3√2 upon 5 minus 3√2. rationalizing factor से multiply करेंगे, so the rationalizing factor of denominator is 5 plus 3√2. So multiplying both numerator and denominator by 5 plus 3√2. Numerator में brackets are same and when you multiply both the brackets it is going to be 5 plus 3√2 square. Over here a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square हो जाएगा. Okay. On expanding this I get 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 3√2 plus 3√2 square upon 5 square gives 25, 3 square gives 9 and √2 square gives 2. So the LHS is 25 plus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 into √2 plus 3 का square is going to be 9 and √2 square is 2. Over here I get 25 minus 18 in numerator, 25 plus 30 √2, 9 2s are 18 and denominator में 25 minus 18 that is 7. Now 25 plus 18 it is going to give me 43 plus 30 √2 upon 7. कुछ कॉमन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ कैंसल आउट नहीं हो रहा है, मैं डिनोमिनेटर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दूंगी. सो वेयर आई हैव 43/7 प्लस 30/7 √2. नाउ RHS is a plus b √2. I have separated this so that I can compare it with the RHS. Now LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, on comparing LHS and RHS, what do we get? A is equal to A सिंगल टर्म ही है, दैट इज सिंगल नंबर है, उसके साथ रूट नहीं एसोसिएटेड है. सो A is equal to 43/7 and B √2 is 30 √2/7. So it is B is 30/7. You're not supposed to write the root, okay? So A is 43/7 and B is 30/7. Now in these sums, please be careful while comparing A and B with the given numbers. Now over here I have compared A with 43/7, उसके साथ रूट एसोसिएटेड नहीं है, सो जो रूट के साथ नहीं है उसके साथ मैं उसको कंपेयर करूँगी. एंड B के साथ √2 है, सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज गोइंग टू बी B √2 एंड √2 नहीं इंक्लूड करना है. सो B इज नॉट 30/7 √2, इट इज गोइंग टू बी 30/7 ओनली बिकॉज √2 अलग से है. ओके, सो B is 30 by 7 only. It is not going to be 30 by 7 into root 2.